Last year, Sean and the art department did a show in the gallery on Thiel's collection of women printmakers. And in the show was, I think, 2 Corita Kent prints.
She had some knowledge of Corita Kent through her studies, and she brought up the idea of applying for a GNC grant. And so I was on board. It was great.
You know, here's an opportunity to revive this collection and make it usable to the Thiel community and learn a little bit more about Corita Kent.
I worked with Isabella Bungo, just assessing the state in which they were in, documenting that. We also tried some techniques of correcting tears along edges, so we used rice paper and wheat glue paste. It's kind of a creative process. We go into it not knowing exactly the outcome.
Isabella Bungo, our student researcher, she and I went to see Corita Kent's papers that are housed at the Institute for Advanced Study at Radcliffe and at Harvard. So we were very lucky to be able to go and look at those papers and learn a little bit more about her process and especially about her classroom.
You could really see through the letters written to her how much of an impact she made as a teacher in these students' lives, and further, not even through just art. Getting to experience real professional archives and getting to work in that environment was so beneficial for me as a history major.
There will be an exhibition in February of 2019 here on campus, in which we're going to highlight the works from this project, maybe 15 or 16 prints to introduce to the community. Once again, a number of these prints haven't seen the light of day in years, and so we're excited about it.